In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a new Sunbucks card. So the first thing you need to do is you want to go to Google and type in Sunbucks Summer EBT. Now, once you've done that, you want to go to this website over here, Sunbucks Summer EBT, which is going to direct you to this website, fnas.usda.gov/summer/sunbucks. Now, in here, you can then start the application process. Now, mind you, as it says over here, many children will get Sunbucks automatically if their household receives other income-based benefits like SNAP or 10F, but some will need to apply. And then to apply, you're going to have to go to this map, which I'm going to show you in a second. Now, here, if you need to apply, you'll basically have to provide some info, such as your child's name, date of birth, school, home address, etc. Now, to actually start the application process and get your new Sunbucks card, what you're going to have to do is look at this map. Now, if your current state you are in, with of course the state you are living in, is like in this mint green, it means it's participating and you can actually get your Sunbucks card. If it is yellow, right now it has plans to participate, and of course it is currently not. If it's green, it means the tribes within the state are participating, so you can of course try applying as well. But if you are in a state which is gray, unfortunately as of right now, you are not able to participate just yet, okay? But of course, hopefully in the future you'll be able to. Now, if you're in one of these states, just make sure you click on your state, for example New York, and you want to look on for the website, okay? So this pop-up will appear. You want to look for this website. Now, not all of them will have websites. Some of them will only have the hotlines and emails. I think New Mexico is one of these. There we go. It only has a hotline and an email. So to actually apply in these states, you'll have to basically either call their hotline via this number or just email them to this email, let them know you'd like to apply, and they will get back to you and tell you how you can apply. So many states actually do not have these websites, but a lot of them do. So as you can see, if I just click through, pretty much all of them have, like Nevada has it over here. If I, for example, go to Kansas, they have a website. So a lot of them actually do have a website. And when you find your website, like for example, New York, you simply want to direct to the website. Again, they have a hotline as well, or email. You can email them or call them as well if that's what you prefer. But the easiest way, and of course the most hassle-free way, is just to go via an online application. So for example, for New York, you want to click on the website. And here on the website, you want to look for somewhere where it says application. Now here on the left, it says how to apply. Click on that. And here, click on apply. And then just go through the application process, which is going to, of course, direct you to. Now, you can do this for pretty much any state that is in this color, as I said. So, for example, let's see for this one, okay, Montana, you can just click over here, and it's going to direct you to the website where you're going to basically be able to see how to apply. There we go. It says over here, you can just apply. And, of course, yeah, that's pretty much that. So, you can just go to your state and just apply via this website that is provided over here, and it's going to make it quite convenient. If you're having any issues, of course, you can just call them via their hotline. They will help you out, and you'll be able to get your new Sunbucks card. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.